Hey guys, it's Shaheena. So in today's video, I'm gonna do this intense peachy eyeshadow look. Again, this is another look for Eve, and I hope you guys like this video. And I'm only gonna do my eyeshadow look because I've already done my full face of makeup. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm gonna take a little bit of it. Well, you're supposed to take a little bit off it, but I took a lot, so oops. But anyway, so I'm gonna use that as my primer potion. As my primer. What am I saying? Alright, to achieve this look, I will be using the Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. And then I'm going to use this peachy tone that has a hint of gold in it on my eyelid. And to use this eyeshadow, the best thing to do is to just use your fingers. So I'm going to use that. So I'm gonna zoom into my eyes in a couple of seconds to show you guys how the color actually looks of the eyeshadow, and I will be also using an eyeshadow blending brush to blend out all the harsh lines that were left in my crease. Then I'm gonna go back to the same palette and I'm gonna use their silver eyeshadow color in the inner corners of my eyelid, because you know me, and if there's no glitter and if there's no shimmer, then there's no Shaheena. But I'm gonna do the same to the other off camera, and then I came back using the Maybelline Volume Mascara. This look does not have any eyeshadow, does not have any eyelashes. And then because I want it to be, you know, eyelash free, because honestly I do not use false eyelashes normally or mascara, but I thought I would just put mascara on and skip the lashes because not everyone feels comfortable using eyelashes. So this is a look without eyelashes. So now that I'm done coating my top and bottom eyelashes, I'm gonna show you guys my eyeshadow look, I guess. Now that I'm gonna be done with my mascara, I'm gonna show you guys this eyeshadow look and how it turned out. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!